Hello, this is Jennifer Martinez. In this video, I'm going to show you some details about the gradebook. First of all, where is the gradebook? Well, it's after the Begin Here course map button. To find it, you can, if you put your mouse over this menu, you'll see a scroll bar. You can scroll down to find that gradebook. Or you can actually collapse the menus, some of these menus here. If you click on this triangle, it's a little toggle, and it collapses everything in the Begin Here button. Again, to bring it back, collapse it. So I'm just going to click on the gradebook. What we have here is a list of your gradebook. Second thing I want to do before I talk about the gradebook is see the whole screen. So I'm going to get rid of this menu by clicking on this arrow button, this toggle. Notice how it gets rid of the menu. Don't worry if you want to bring it back. Click on that arrow, hide it. The first thing I'm going to look at is what it shows is the results from the past 2 weeks. So if I scroll down, this is what this particular student's scores are for the past 2 weeks. If I want to see the entire course to date, you can click on Entire Course to Date. Scroll down now, it shows everything I've done from the beginning class. This includes homework, quizzes, discussions, everything. Okay? Now, on the homework and quizzes, you will notice that it will give you your score, percentage, the time spent, and the date work. Where, some of the things that I've typed in, I've added this to your gradebook, the Q&A 1, that will not show time spent because I just put in your score. I've added that. The other thing to notice is that you have this review link for the homework, not for the Q&A. These are great because this is a great way to review past homework and quiz questions, by the way, for assignments that are past due and you can't get into anymore. So for instance, let's click on that review link and you will see this is what this particular student has done. You can go back into these, right? Redo them. Look at what the correct answers are. Look at the Help Me Solve This button, the example, all the support. But notice this changes made here will not affect your score. It will not be changed, so you could just review them. So let me click on OK and go back. The other thing I want to talk to you about is this menu, the All Assignments menu. If I click on that, this gives you the categories of all the different assignments, types of assignments that we have. So let's just choose one. Let's go to Homework. And let's just choose a particular chapter. So this will actually give you all just the homework if I scroll down. But I'm going to choose a particular chapter as well. So I'll go to Go. And it will give me the homework just for that chapter. The last thing I want to talk to you about is your overall score. If you click this button, you will see your overall score in the class. And this is the overall 93.7 is overall score of this example student. This is a very important for your next discussion as an on grade check. It will be looking at this overall score category. So if you scroll down, it actually gives you your overall score for each category. So this is the student's overall score for all the homework is 89.9%. And the quizzes has not taken in the test or final exam yet, so there's no score there yet. The discussion board, Q&A forum, and the project. Even if you might have done the project, maybe it hasn't been graded yet. So this is from this point down, these are the ones I input. So you do have to wait for me to input those. It gives you a percentage, what's the weight, and your total time spent. And then it gives you an overall summary and the overall hours you have spent in the course. If you press the OK button, get you back to the original Gradebook. That concludes my demonstration on how to use the Gradebook for your course.